Sydium is a website that allows you to clone your voice so that you can start creating content on multiple social media platforms. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and all you need to do is just put in your website. I'm going to put in mine, of course, which is jjohnson.co.uk, and we're going to start creating my first post. So apparently Sydium is going to create a series of posts that sound like me for both Instagram and LinkedIn. This is what's available to users who just sign up and aren't on any sort of paid plan. So you can see here we've got some copy and we look to be generating an image as well. So I can see what it says here. So good prompt isn't a flash of inspiration, it's a workflow you can practice. Very true. Here's the loop we run in perfecting prompt. Start with 30 seconds of pre-work. What's the task? Who's the output for? And what does done look like? Then write one prompt, then test it on one real example and tighten the part that broke. Great stuff. Okay, cool. And then we've got a LinkedIn post here as well. So before you greenlight an AI pilot, ask one question. What does ready actually mean for your team? Great stuff. So not do we have budget, not is the model good enough, the real one, which is who owns the workflow this is supposed to change, and can they describe it step by step today? Immaculately described. That's exactly how it should be. Okay, cool. So we can see here what they basically got about my tone of voice. So they've got my niches, which is tech and business. Tone is confident, motivational. That's interesting. I wasn't expecting motivational, but that's always good to see. We've got my style here, short attention grabbers mixed with longer explanatory paragraphs, direct questions to engage, frequent use of rhetorical framing, and clear calls to action. Okay, great stuff. Well, this looks all good to me. I can actually generate 2 more for Facebook and X, but in this case, I'm just going to continue as well, and we'll see what we get here. Okay, so now we have this dashboard, which looks really cool. So yeah, as you can see, you can actually integrate all of these platforms here, which is quite a lengthy list, I have to say. You have access to a calendar, which looks pretty standard, but very useful, of course. You can see all your content ideas, top performers, projects as well, all at a glance, which is quite interesting. Cool. So these are the 2 posts that were generated just now. You can actually take a look at analytics as well once you start posting. Looks like some of these are pro features as well. You can see engagement, dashboard. There's a section here for muses. Okay, interesting stuff. So yeah, keen to know how this would work. So it's basically your personal AI-powered creative assistant designed specifically for social content creators. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Okay, cool. So we can see here where the ideas come from, today's idea, and yeah, a lot of other useful forms of inspiration. They also offer a bio link. Looks like they've got an AI autopilot here that basically runs your social media. Very interesting stuff. You can also edit your brand voice here too if you wish to do so. So yeah, definitely a cool platform. I think certainly worth checking out for anyone who has to do a lot of social media, potentially for a bunch of accounts, and yeah, it could actually save you a whole lot of time. So definitely check out Sydium if you think it would be useful for you.